welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Patrick, the BU Boss, and I want to thank you for joining me again today for another video. If this is your first time here, I am Andrea Patrick. I am the BU Boss. I help you put the B and the U in your business. I do that because I want to help you find the intersection between your business life and your personal life so you have a quality of life. What does that mean, Andrea? Well, it means here on this channel, I'm talking about things like business tips. I'm talking about things like personal style. And I'm talking about things like personal branding, how you're putting it all together to leverage who you are across every area of your life. So if that sounds like something that you can use, for sure hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now listen guys, I am working really hard here to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Stick around to the end because today we're gonna be talking about some spring things and how I'm adding color to my wardrobe. If you missed last week, we were talking about my capsule wardrobe for spring, but if you missed the 5 C's to Be You series that I did, you also missed everything I was talking about in terms of creating a uniform for yourself. So go back, head over there. We'll put all of that down in the description so that you can go back and review those videos for yourself. But for today, I'm going to share with you how I am putting color into my wardrobe for spring. Now, my wardrobe, my uniform is really about the neutrals. I love neutrals, the beiges, the blacks, the navies, the grays. But I also like to interject pops of colors with my purses and my handbags and scarves. So get into those accessories if you haven't already. So today I want to share with you how I'm taking some of those pieces I shared with you last week and how I am incorporating color into those pieces for spring. So stick around, and at the end I have a little gift that I want to share with you, just in case you're one of those people that's like, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to pick clothes for myself, I don't know. I have a great gift that I want to share with you, so stick around until the end of the video and I'll tell you what it is and how you can grab it. Okay, very simple, but let's go ahead and get started with today's video, shall we? Okay, so the first piece I have is this beautiful sort of orangey, peachy, well maybe not peach, but like an orangey slip dress. And I got this slip dress from Target last year, and I really believe that this is something that is going to be sticking around. It's very simple, easy, sleek. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. The way I started off the video was with this dress and my oversized blazer that I got from H&M last year. I really do like that combination. Sometimes the weather doesn't really play along, so it's a little bit too chilly to wear arms out. But on a date, to put this on with some nice jewelry and an oversized blazer and a cute little strappy sandal really does dress up a look. And I think that this is a great way to add color. This is a really pretty color and I love the way it looks on my complexion as well. So this is the first way I am adding color to my wardrobe. The next was this cute little, I don't even know what color you would call this, kind of like an orangey color as well, but it's really good. I love this. I got this last year from Old Navy, I think, and it is a cute little pair of shorts, cute little jacket, and you'll see here that I'm wearing it with a black tank top. I am so excited because this type of stuff is what I wear when I go to the beach with my family and I'm just maybe running errands. I'll put it on with a pair of matching sneakers, and you know, then I feel like I'm still pulled together, but I'm casual and I'm comfortable, and it's just perfect for beach wear and like a vacation wear. So I'm really excited. Again, guys, this is something that when you are creating your capsule wardrobe for spring and summer, when you have a uniform, these things last. You don't have to keep buying stuff over and over again. When is a pair of shorts and a jacket going to go out of style? Never. Later on, you're gonna see another set that I have like this that I'm really excited about wearing. But anyway, yeah, this is another way that I am adding a punch of color to my spring wardrobe. Okay, so the next way is that I shared with you was this dress. It's a linen dress and it's striped, flowy, it's airy, it feels so good on, guys. It's like not even wearing anything. And sometimes, you know, when you go out on vacation and you are like hanging out with your friends, maybe even for a brunch, you want to eat, you want to feel like you don't have anything on, something like this is phenomenal to have in your wardrobe. And I'm adding color because it's striped, but it's also got the neutral background, so it's easy for me to wear. And because it's got so many different colors in it, you'll see next week I've got some really cute heels. Definitely a pair of heels that you wear like from the car to the sitting position, and then from sitting position back to the car. I'm still getting used to wearing heels. I have been out of practice, guys, since I've been out of corporate. So having like this stiletto type heel is just, I don't know if I'm gonna ever get to the point where I wanna wear them all the time. But to sass it up a bit and to be cute with my hubby on date night, yes, I will suffer the pain of doing that. But yeah, I absolutely love this linen dress. And it's sort of got like asymmetrical, or maybe not even asymmetrical. It's kind of like got these pointy sides. So the sides are a little bit longer than the front, and it kind of goes down into a point. Absolutely love this dress. Again, it's something that I got last year for just to wear on a date night, but it's one of those pieces. It's linen, and linen doesn't go out of style. It's striped. Stripes don't go out of style. Now, what you do have to watch out for are silhouettes, but I mean, it's a sundress. So I have seen these types of dresses since I was a little kid, so it's pretty safe to say that they aren't going anywhere. Okay, so I'm not gonna pull it out, but last week I shared with you a skirt that I am also going to be adding into this video because it is colorful. It's got a wonderful print to it. It's very flowy, and I just practiced tying it up and wearing it different ways. So I'm really excited about that. It was so much fun. I did a little photo shoot with that skirt. I thought I was kind of cute, child, I must say. But yeah, just another way to add something flowy and something colorful to my spring wardrobe. So I hope you like that skirt as well. And then the last piece that I shared with you was another short set, and I just put this purple sort of plummy top with it because it is a pop of color, but I really like that the little jogging set, the little shorts and the jacket. Again, I told you about that with the orange set as well. It's just a really good staple to have in your wardrobe, especially if you're going to be traveling to a beach, or if you've got a pool in your backyard, you just kind of want to hang out, but you don't always want to have on a swimsuit, or you want to cover up your swimsuit when you have guests over or something like that. I think these two short sets are very, very good to have in your staples for spring and summer. Let me go grab it for you. Here it is. This is the jumper that I was telling you about, and I was super duper excited about this jumper when I saw it. I was at TJ Maxx when I was looking for a top to wear to the concert that I recently attended, and I happened on this jumper. Again, it's the shorts and it's the jacket. Very, very comfortable, perfect for spring and summer, especially if you're traveling. But y'all, I picked this puppy up for $18. Let's see. You know when it's got a red tag on it, this is you need to pick it up. Because I like these types of sets so much, I loved it. Now I know it's a darker color, and I do intend to find some cute tank tops or something to wear under it to brighten it up a little bit. But more times than not, I'm probably gonna have a bright color swimsuit under it for when we go out to the beach, or I'll just have on, you know, the top to my bikini or something, and I'll just wear that with this and it'll brighten it up. But mainly it's just for casual, comfy wear. So anyway, but I thought I would share it with you because it was such a good deal. And I did pair it with this bright purple top. I absolutely love this top. It's something that I got from JCPenney's years ago, but this is my favorite color. Absolutely love purple, love, love, love. And it's long sleeves, so it was just good to pair with that dark gray because it'll kind of brighten it up, give it a little bit of springiness to it, especially, you know, when it's your favorite color. Of course, you're gonna find a way to wear it. But I think I'm gonna do a really good job searching some cute little tees, maybe graphic tees that are kind of a plummy color or a lavender color or a yellow or something like that. That would go really well with that little short set. But anyway, I paired it with this purple because I absolutely love this color. So I'll be wearing this with certain things. I have another one that is sleeveless and it's got like a little tie in front, and that one I will wear with like my white linen pants if we go out, or I'll wear that. I have a white suit that I'll wear with that, but it just adds that pop of color. But I wanted to share with you this color because it is one that will be in my wardrobe for spring and summer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my spring pops of color, and it gave you some inspiration for your own wardrobe. Again, guys, I'm not about going about purchasing a whole bunch of new things for spring. The beauty of having a uniform is that usually when you're shopping, you're thinking of your uniform and how you can intermix various things. And so odds are when you get to the point where I am with this whole uniform journey, you have bits and pieces in your wardrobe. So you don't have to go shopping every season. You don't have to worry about trends and colors because you're really using items that work for you, colors that make you feel good about yourself. So anyway, I promised you a gift at the end, and I definitely have that for you. It is my 4 Eyes of Style. You can go into the description box below, grab that up. It's absolutely free. Immediately download it. And it's a great tool to sort of help you identify your style, to help you figure out how to interpret instead of imitate other people's style, so that you can always get it right when you go shopping. So if that has been an issue for you and you never know what to wear, maybe you're one of those people that goes to the department store, goes to the mall or to the outlets, and you see something on a mannequin and you pick that up from the mannequin. You just pick the whole thing up and you're like, this is the outfit for me. Don't do that, because not every piece is gonna work for you. You really have to take into consideration your body type, the colors that work best for you. So anyway, the swipe file that I have for you is going to help you kind of get a little bit more familiar with your style, so that you know, shopping for yourself is going to be much easier, and you don't have to do all that shopping every spring, every fall. You can pretty much have the things in your wardrobe. So grab that swipe file. It's for immediate download. It's a great tool that you can use to help you if you haven't really put together your spring wardrobe yet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the colors, the pops of color that I added to my spring wardrobe, and stick around because next week I'm going to show you the shoes that I'm going to be wearing with all of these cute looks. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed and you click that notification bell so you never miss an episode.